Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing.
Morning guys, it's Monday. It's raining. I already took the kids to school. Little one over here is watching television. I have to do a couple loads of laundry and just clean up a little bit. But it's Monday.
Well, you did a great job tracing your name. Can you tell me the letters?
Maddie, can you stop eating candy? Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you. Did your teacher do your name yet?
L. Go a little slower.
We'll have it after school, okay?
Forget your A. N. Very good. All right. And his name is this. Listen, it's okay, sweetie. What's wrong? No.
Ready? Yes.
Don't touch me. Do you want to try your name?
Yes.
Or do you want to or not? Now, okay, it's okay, honey. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and sing our holiday song. All right, let's sing. Start getting back into school after the weekend, isn't it?
She wants to sit there and eat candy. All morning long, she's been chewing on candy. And I'm like, no. No. Now she want to be in her feelings. Kids are something else. It's not like she doesn't like school. She enjoys doing school. It's just that she gets distracted when she's like doing all the other kids' name and stuff. And she gets distracted. She's not interested in other kids. And it's a struggle most days. Most days she's like, okay. Most days she's like, I don't know. So her and I gonna have a little chat when she's done. Every time I go to the Jamaican store, I always pick these up. So good. It's banana chips. Oh, so good. I love these things. I've been snacking on it all weekend. And I only got one bag because, yeah, I'm addicted. Got my coffee. My snack. Let's go edit some videos. I gotta clean the house, but I'm gonna do that in a little bit. I gotta get these videos out. I left Maddie with my niece because I have to go pick up dinner. I can't take her because she has speech at 1:30. It's 12:23 and I'm going pretty far. And I won't be back until it's time to pick up the kids, so I can't take her. But of course, you know, she's not happy. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go grab dinner. And sorry, enjoy some me time. Put on my favorite playlist. How come I don't see it? I don't see my favorite playlist. What? Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get some tripe for dinner. Rob wanted tripe for dinner, so I'm gonna go pick him up some tripe and make him some curry tripe. So I'll see y'all when I get to the store. We're here. That took like what, 30 minutes? It's 12:53. Hopefully I can call Janelle and remind her that Mad needs to be on speech at 1:30. So let's go into this grocery store. I got some white yams. I'm gonna pick up some pumpkin. I'm gonna make some soup. Some pepper.
Like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know
Thyme.
even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help
oxtail while I'm here. Yeah. Hot curry powder. Mild curry powder. And what else do I need? What else do I need?
I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
So, I spent $172. Sorry, I have to find my hand sanitizer. Spent $172, and that's just for 4 days worth of meat. That's why I don't really cook a lot of authentic. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. That's why I don't cook a lot of authentic. That's why I don't cook a lot of Jamaican dishes, because it's expensive. And yeah, good thing we have pandemic EBT, because yeah, that sucker comes in handy on days like this where it's like, sorry. So I'm gonna head back home and start on dinner because it takes a while to cook tripe. So I'll see y'all back when I get to the house. I was gonna wait to pick up the kiddos. I have 1 hour until I have to go back out and pick them up. I've decided to just come home and season my meat and do a little haul for you guys, because yeah, we got a lot of goodies. Oh, she's still on speech. End it. Turn it off. Right here. Good job. How was speech? It was good? Yeah. What did you work on today? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And what else? Hello? Hey. I was trying to call Janelle, but I accidentally called you. I was trying to call Janelle, but I hit the wrong number. Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah, they're fine. All right. Bye. Oh, and you popsicle?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Good job. You're welcome. Thank you, Janelle. So I have to put all this stuff away, season up my meat before I have to leave here at 2:45. Yes, baby. If I got you a lollipop, no. I got dinner. You're gonna love dinner. I got some stuff for dinner. Oh, I got your Lunchable yesterday. I got your Lunchable yesterday. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. No, I got it. No, I picked it up. So I have all my stuff out. Okay.
Not more meat.
Huh?
Not more meat.
No, I don't have any more thing.
Okay, Mom.
Whew. I promise. I think it's like only one more bag at the door. Oh, Lord. And then I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So for dinner, I'm gonna make curry tripe. Oh, I forgot the bean. Oh my God, I forgot the lima bean. I don't think I have any. Oh gosh. I forgot the beans, and they don't sell it at any regular store. I'm so mad at myself. Drive 30 minutes, drive for an hour, and forgot what I needed. Yes? Not that beans, not kidney beans. I need lima beans. Alright, let me show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so I found 1 can of butter bean. This will work. I think it's the same thing as lima bean. I could be wrong, but this will work. Okay guys, so let's start with this. Rob was looking for fish steak yesterday, and we couldn't find it, so I found it today. And let me... Okay. And so this is a fresh rib belly roast. Is this pork or this rather? No, I found this in the beef section. It looks like pork, but it was in the beef section and it says rib belly. Whatever. And then this is beef tripe. I think this is, what the frick is this? I don't know. It looks like pork, don't it? But it was in the beef section. I promise you it was in the beef section. But anyways, we have some beef tripe, and we have the honeycomb. I don't know what the difference. So I got a whole bunch because I don't know the difference. Got some cow feet because I'm gonna make some cow feet this week as well. And I got some more beef tripe. Got some goat. Have some fresh oxtail. I got the fresh oxtail. This was $35. But that's what's for dinner tomorrow. And then on Thursday we're gonna have chicken noodle soup with chicken feet. Destiny don't like chicken feet, so I don't know. I got some pumpkins for my soup. I got some fresh thyme. I have some scallion for my soup, and also for my other dishes. I have some, what do they call this? Is it chocho? I don't remember what they call it. It's not a chocho. I don't know. Coyote, whatever that is. I got some yam. Got some white yam for today's dinner. I'm gonna make the curry tripe and put it over that. Got some red onion, and I also picked up some habanero pepper. All of this was $171. I got some curry powder, mild, and I also got the hot one for us. This is for when we have guests over and they can't really eat, because Rob's parents can't eat spicy stuff. I got some whole spice. Come on, why don't they focus? So I got some whole spice, coconut milk, and jerk sauce. So I would put another habanero pepper in this, but it's gonna be way too spicy. So I just have some onion, potato, thyme, and green onion that I'm gonna put in here to cook that down. And then I'm gonna put my butter bean in last and let it cook for 30 more minutes, and then it's done. So I've been cooking that for almost, I want to say 2.5 hours. I'm gonna let it go for 3 because it doesn't fit in my pressure cooker. I have a really tiny pressure cooker, and all that meat doesn't fit in my pressure cooker, and I didn't want to do 2 batches because I am deadly afraid of pressure cookers. So I could have done 30 minutes of that once. I can't do twice, so I didn't want to split it up, so I just figured I would cook it down on the stovetop. So that's fine. Rob brought me nightcap because yeah, I need it. I really do need it. It's just, it takes the edge off sometimes. But I'm gonna go finish up dinner and finish out today's vlog. Okay, this is the finished result, and I made it with dumpling and yam. So good.
I bet you it was hit by that wasn't my fucking mom's car.
Okay guys, so my oxtail is seasoned for tomorrow, and I'm gonna cover this put in the refrigerator. And it's 9 o'clock. Go take me a shower and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't